Welcome to this lesson on pH calculations. pH is one of the most important concepts in chemistry, especially when studying acids and bases. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate pH from hydrogen ion concentration using the logarithmic formula. By the end, you'll be able to determine the pH of any solution when you know its hydrogen ion concentration. Let's start with the definition. pH stands for the power of hydrogen, and it measures how acidic or basic a solution is. Specifically, pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. The negative sign is important because it converts very small concentration values into convenient positive numbers that are easier to work with. Here's the fundamental formula we'll be using. pH equals negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. This is written mathematically as pH equals negative log bracket H+. The H+ represents hydrogen ions, and log refers to the base 10 logarithm, also called the common logarithm. This simple formula is the key to all pH calculations. Let's break down the components of this formula. First, bracket H+ represents the hydrogen ion concentration, which is measured in moles per liter, abbreviated as M for molarity. Second, log means the base 10 logarithm or common logarithm. This is different from the natural logarithm. Understanding these two components is essential for performing pH calculations correctly. Let's work through our first example. Suppose we have a solution where the hydrogen ion concentration is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar. To find the pH, we substitute this value into our formula. pH equals negative log of 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Now let's solve this step by step. When we take the logarithm of 10 to the power of negative 3, we get negative 3. This is because the logarithm and exponential functions are inverses of each other. Then we apply the negative sign in front. pH equals negative times negative 3, which gives us positive 3. Therefore, the pH of this solution is 3, indicating it is acidic. Let's try a more complex example. Suppose the hydrogen ion concentration is 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 molar. Using our formula, pH equals negative log of 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 5. This example will result in a non-integer pH value, which is very common in real-world situations. To solve this, we can split the logarithm using the product rule. Negative times the quantity log of 2.5 plus log of 10 to the power of negative 5. The log of 2.5 is approximately 0.398, and the log of 10 to the power of negative 5 is negative 5. Adding these together gives negative 4.602. Applying the negative sign, we get pH equals 4.60. This solution is weakly acidic since the pH is below 7.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.